For this touchscreen oven, I ended up having to call a technician out, and I wanted to kind of share a few of the part numbers along with the information. A lot of it's in the description. I had an issue with my original touchscreen where this touchscreen was no longer active. So this is the brand new one. So I just wanted to kind of show you a few things that the technician kind of mentioned that could potentially fix this. So mine, unfortunately, none of it ended up getting fixed, and this entire panel ended up getting replaced. So the first thing he ended up taking a look at was whether or not going through the settings, whether or not we ended up connecting it to the internet. And the reason why is because we ended up going through and trying to update the software panel. So that's something that if you already have something connected to the app, something you may want to take a look at. So this version is the version 31.00-00. It has not been updated yet, but also they said that this Wi-Fi is only compatible with 2.4 gigahertz networks. So I wanted to kind of show you that, and then show you a few ways to kind of replace this for yourself. Just some simple instructions first. With this particular oven, the way that this is mounted, it is mounted into some wood trim, and there's going to be two screws, one right here and one right here, that ends up taking it out. And they pulled the entire panel out probably about 6 inches to a foot, and then there's some screws on the interior to be able to take this panel off. So I wanted to show you next the part number for this entire panel. There apparently is no circuit board in here to replace directly. It's just the entire panel. I wanted to show you the box along with the part number that's associated with this piece right here. So I'll go ahead and also include that within the panel as well. So I just wanted to provide that for you so that you could take a look and find that part online if you needed to hunt that. And then we kind of talked a little bit about mounting screws. I believe he took the screws off of this portion and this portion to be able to remove it from that area, and then one connector to be able to replace that. So best of luck with your repair. So in summary, taking a look at this, update the Wi-Fi if you can. If you update the Wi-Fi, if you replace the Wi-Fi and then you end up updating the software, perhaps it will fix this particular panel. I believe this was revision E. I had a revision D of this entire front board, but I was very frustrated. Additionally, if you end up not being able to turn off the power to your oven, you're gonna have to go to your breaker box, or if you luckily still have Wi-Fi, connect to your app and turn it off manually. So breaker box, meaning you're gonna have to go out and turn off the power to this particular circuit. So best of luck.